Good evening, class. My name is Specialist McCandless, and I will be giving you a class on convert and azimuth. Before we begin, today's risk assessment is low. You can see that we are outside, so be careful where you step at. Don't need anybody falling, tripping, and getting hurt. It is warm outside today, so make sure you are drinking plenty of water. Make sure you have at least 2 quarts or a camelback on you. Yes, there is wildlife out and about. Don't mess with it. If you see it, back away. If the weather changes, we will move inside. Okay? With that being said, you can see I have my risk assessment. You can see I have an outline of what's going to be going on. Also, your task, the standard I'll have set for you, and your condition. The task is to teach you back azimuth, magnetic to grid azimuth to magnetic azimuth. The standard I'll have for you is converting all 3 azimuths without any error by the end of this class. So you should be experts by the end. Now, your condition, you are a member of a squad preparing to conduct a movement. You have been assigned to convert an azimuth for the movement. You have been given a map, compass, pencil, and paper. You should all have that out in front of you. Is there anybody that does not have one? No? Everybody does? Good. Okay. With that, I will show you a demonstration. Okay, we will begin with back azimuth. For back azimuth, as of right now, you have 120 degrees. With that, any back azimuth that's under 180 degrees, you will add 180 degrees. So, your azimuth is 120, so you'll add 180. You'll get 300 degrees. Then, if it's over 180 degrees, you will subtract. So, 200, let's say you have 200, you subtract from 180, you'd end up with 20. What you would do then is, you would turn around in the way you just came, face your compass north, and follow your degrees so you can get back on track. Now we're going to move into magnetic to gridded azimuth. The way that is the same thing. You have 120 degrees, but what you need is your GM angle from your magnetic north. Where you get that is from off of your main map. You have a dialogue image. It's usually somewhere on the map, usually towards the bottom. It'll have north and magnetic your GM angle on there. So this one is 4 degrees. Not all of them are the same on each map. They'll be different. But what you'll do is this one shows that it's to the west. Since it's to the west, we will subtract. So 120 degrees minus your 4 gives you 116. Now, if it was to east, magnetic angle was to the east of north, then you would add. So 120 plus 4 is 126. Now, we're going to move into grid to magnetic azimuth. It's the same exact thing I just told you. But the only difference is on this one is it's grid to magnetic. If it's east, of course, you add. West, you subtract. So 120 plus 4 equals 126. That would be for your east. And then 120 minus 4 is 116 for your west. Does everybody understand it? Okay, good. Now, I'm going to let you practice it for about 20 minutes. After you practice, we're going to have a test on it. You must get 100% on this test to pass this class, so you can be trained in this class. Okay? While you're practicing, I will be walking around checking in on you guys and helping anybody that may need help. You may begin now. Okay. Time's up. Okay. Now you're going to be taking a test on what you just practiced. So you have about 20 minutes to take the test. All right. Here are your tests right here. Pass them out, please, among yourselves. Thank you. Okay. Your test begins now. Okay. Time is up. Pass your test forward, please. Okay. Thank you. I have graded your test, and all of you have passed. You all get a T for trained. And now, that'll be passed up and put onto the books, into your files, as T for trained. So you're all experts at this now. Yep. Okay. With that, can you please pass all the equipment forward? Can you pass your compasses, your maps, and your pencils and papers forward? Okay. Thank you. Alright. What did we do today? Okay. Today I taught you how to convert azimuths, the back azimuth, magnetic azimuth to grid, and grid to magnetic azimuth. Okay. You all learned how to do that, which is good. Yeah. Okay. Are there any questions? No questions? Okay. Now I'm going to conduct an AAR. Were there any sustains? Anything that can be improved on? What was good? Okay. What was bad? Alright. What was the commander's intent? For me to teach you on this class, convert azimuth. And again, today's overall risk assessment was low. And that concludes this class brief. Thank you.